Hi guys, welcome back to the barn. I'm just trying to work out whether this V-Tough and the Cyclone separator will actually stand on top of each other in that corner. It looks almost to the millimetre as though it might just work if I take the wheels off. Now once they're in that corner, I can't wheel it around anyway, so it's not a problem. I think the worst case scenario is I might just have to reconfigure that shelf for the top of the Cyclone. I would prefer it all over there out of the way, and it just works perfectly with the flow. I'm going to take these wheels off and then I'm just going to leave it for today because there's something else I just need to do because there's something big coming. I need to finish this ceiling off so I can get rid of all the building material out of that side of the workshop to make space for something, which is really important. You all right, Bobby? Hey, come on. Okay, so that goes in there probably just needs a elbow on that top, which is doable, or I could just amend this little shelf I've got here, which has got a little weird triangular bit anyway. So that's doable either, but I can forget that now. I just need to tidy up. So I've been doing a lot of jobs around the house and around the garden, and everything's just got a little bit out of hand, and because that side is out of hand, so is this side. Hopefully you guys with smaller workshops appreciate this. It doesn't take much to make a complete mess of your workshop. Alright, Bo, this is a warm corner. Is it warm here, Bo? Right, so I just need to have a tidy up. I won't bore you with that, and then we'll get on with the ceiling. Look at that, Bobby, it's perfect. You alright, you girls? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bays boarded. Now the next thing I need to do is adios all that timber up there. It's kind of usable timber. It's the stuff I kept when I tidied up in here a few weeks ago. But just move it for the minute and then I can finish framing this door out. I need to block this bit of ceiling up. It's still loose here. Put this jamb down the concrete block wall and then I can frame that bit of ceiling out and board that bit of ceiling. Then start to put some insulation on. Once I've done that and got the insulation in, then I've got rid of the boards. In fact, I've got rid of the boards now, apart from one, and that bale of insulation. If I can get that done by tomorrow night, it's like a cup of tea here. So I just need to cut out bottom rail that I've never taken off since I put this partition up 2 years ago, and I've tripped over every day for 2 years. So if I take that out and then I can put a jamb up. I've also kept that piece for 2 years, the jamb as well. That's actually the infill head of the door. Thinking of a pair of doors there that fold back that way. That's the way to do it. So it's been a really busy day today, but we've got the ceiling boarded in, we've got that lighting, I've got some more lights to come to finish this area. I've got rid of all the boarding in there apart from pulling bits of firewood and a little bit of plywood which I may use to make these hatches. It's nice to get this closed in. We've not had this closed in, so I might stop having birds and other animals in there. Tomorrow I've got a little bit of OSB to put down that end up against the roof just to close the void, and then I'm going to open that bale of insulation and get that insulation in, and hopefully that'll all be gone tomorrow. Then I can tidy that out, ready for my big thing. Right, I'll see you in the morning, guys. I'm a bit tired, if I'm honest. It's like being back on the tools. Excellent, so that's now got rid of that bale of insulation, so the roof is insulated. Probably just need to tidy the insulation up as I close it in. So I'm just trying to decide what to do next. I've got one pack of these boards left, so if I close this raked ceiling up, I'll be out of boards. So I think the next thing I'm going to do is put a board down this edge of the flat and then board this bit here, because I want to make a shelf and get the A-frame back up there. That's a bonus.